Hey guys, it's John here. Today we're going to do a quick video about changing the air filter on my 2022 John Deere 1025R. So Mia from Bulari sent me this filter set to try out, and that's why we're going to test it out today. We are going to remove the side panel. I've never done this before, so bear with me. And then I think we just release this. I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, so you release this tab here, give it a little bit of a twist, and take this off. Remember, I live in New Mexico where dirt gets everywhere no matter what. So I have 180 hours on this machine, and this is the first time changing the air filters. So we're going to take off the exterior one, which looks bad on the outside, but inside looks decent. And we'll pull out the inner one, and we'll take it from there and pop the new ones in. All right, I'm just gonna take the microfiber and it's pretty clean inside. Next time I take the loader off, we'll pop this open so we can get a better angle. There's not many angles that are good for shooting this. All right, now let's try to get these new filters in. I think that does it. Let's match up the grooves there, and let's put the cover back on. Okay, we got the cover back on. I did some cleaning of that inside of it. Now we just want to make sure the hoses are all tight so nothing's sneaking in through the hoses. And that should be it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that helped, and I'll leave some links to where you can buy this filter kit, and we'll talk to you later.